Welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Simple and delicious is my motto. And for the next few weeks, since we're into November, I'm going to be focusing on appetizers and dishes that we can put together for large groups. Christmas will be here soon, so today I'm starting out with a nice seafood dip. My brother created it. We enjoy it every Christmas. I may have tweaked it a little bit, but that's what cooking's all about. Make it your own. Let's put together this delicious seafood dip. In a bowl, I have 250 grams, one small box of Philadelphia cream cheese, which is about 8 ounces. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now I left my cream cheese out for about a half an hour to get it to room temperature, just to make it a little easier for mixing. Now we'll take that mixture and we're going to transfer that into about a 10 by 6 tray. Now set this aside for a moment, and next we'll get to our king crab flavored Wild Alaskan Pollock. This is the flaky style. It's 454 grams. I used a half a package, which is about 8 ounces. Now I tore it up into small bite pieces like so, remembering we want to get these onto crackers. So this is about 2 cups. So we're going to put that into a bowl. And then we're going to mix that with about 3/4 of a cup of seafood sauce. Now I make my own seafood sauce. You can buy it already made in a jar. You can find it on my recipes at the bottom of every video. It's very simple. It's just ketchup and horseradish, lemon, Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of hot sauce. You can buy the hot style or the medium. It's your choice. So now we're going to lay that on top of our cream cheese mixture. Spread that out evenly.
Gold Sterling, waiting at the station for the next gravy train, and easy living life the way I do.
Then next we're going to put a half a cup of finely diced bell yellow peppers. Give it some nice color. You can use red bell pepper as well. About a half a cup there. And next, about a half a cup of finely diced, I've used sweet cherry tomatoes. As you can see, very tiny pieces I've cut them into. We'll spread that around nice evenly throughout. You could use green bell pepper if you like. And then a half a cup of finely diced spring onions. You can make this the day before. You can cover it with cellophane, just leave it in the fridge, bring it out about 20 minutes before you're going to serve it, and then we'll finish it off with about a cup of grated cheddar cheese. I've got a mixture here of a white and yellow cheddar. You can grate that yourself or buy it in a bag already pre-grated. And then just gently go around the whole mixture and give it a little packing down. And you want to use some crackers that have a little bit of strength to them, you know, like a Triscuit if you're going to be doing the dipping. Or have a spoon handy to spoon it out onto a cracker. And there it is. How beautiful is that? Well, it doesn't get much more simple and delicious than that. If you try this out and you enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the red subscribe button. Every week you'll be notified on a Monday that I have a new video out. Let's give this seafood dip a whirl. I'm going to use a little serving fork here. All the goodness on there. Oh. Wow. Man, put that on a bun. It's so good. Well, I think you're going to love it, and I hope you get to try it out. Thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Living life the way I do. Well, if you don't